Vizio remote apps transform how you control your SmartCast TV, offering features far beyond your standard physical remote. These smartphone applications provide enhanced functionality, including voice control, casting capabilities, and smart home integration. Modern Vizio remote apps turn your smartphone into a powerful control center. The interface provides all traditional remote functions, plus advanced features like voice commands and content casting directly from your mobile device. You have two main categories of Vizio remote apps. The official Vizio SmartCast mobile app offers deep integration with your TV's operating system, while third-party apps like Shure Universal Smart TV Remote provide broader device control across multiple brands and smart home devices. Understanding the difference between infrared and Wi-Fi control is crucial when choosing a remote app. Infrared requires line of sight and close proximity to your TV, while Wi-Fi control offers extended range throughout your home and doesn't require pointing your device at the television. Vizio's SmartCast platform has experienced substantial growth, with active user accounts reaching over 13 million and streaming hours growing 70% year over year. This growth demonstrates the increasing popularity of smart TV control apps and their integration with modern entertainment systems. Choosing the right Vizio remote app depends on understanding your specific needs and preferences. The key is evaluating several important factors before making your decision. While these apps offer great convenience, be aware of some common issues reported by users. Excessive advertisements and connectivity problems are the most frequently mentioned concerns. Looking ahead, Vizio is expanding its SmartCast platform significantly. The company is exploring partnerships with third-party manufacturers and integrating new services like Walmart Plus. The connected TV market is experiencing tremendous growth, projected to increase from $12.6 billion in 2022 to $16.2 billion by 2032. This growth will make remote apps increasingly important for managing smart home ecosystems. As this market continues to expand, choosing the right Vizio remote app becomes even more critical for seamlessly managing your entertainment and smart home devices. Consider your specific needs, read user reviews, and stay informed about new features and integrations.